Welcome to the Pixar Place Hotel. It's the only Pixar-themed hotel at the Disneyland Resort.
And whether you're a kid at heart, or you're just looking for somewhere fun to stay, this is your spot.
We're going to take a look at a few of the rooms, maybe see some of the places to get a bite to eat, as well as some of our favorite amenities.
And we'll take a peek at the rooftop pool deck, which is one of my favorite spots and a gem of this hotel. Should we go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow, the lobby is amazing.
You look at the stained glass decorations up there.
And the Pixar details are everywhere. I mean, look, there's Heimlich from A Bug's Life as a couch.
That is so cool.
That is very cool.
Amazing.
So, you know, when we arrive at the hotel, the first thing we need to do is check in. So we should probably go see where we can do that, right?
Yeah, Pixar Place Hotel has everything you need right here in the lobby. So I see the front desk is right here. That's where you could check in. Also, if you need tips or advice of things to like go to dinner, you could just come right here and talk to a friendly cast member.
And the lobby has everything you need. Everything's centrally located.
Yeah, and I see right here, this is the bell desk, also just off of the lobby area. So if you arrive at the Disneyland Resort early and your room is not ready yet, or if you're checking out and you're not quite ready to leave, you can leave your bags right here so that you're free to go explore.
And as a special bonus, you know, sometimes you may catch Joe Gardner from Soul tickling the ivories here in the lobby area, giving you some nice music while you're waiting for your room to be ready.
Love that. And it's not just Joe, there might be other characters that you might encounter. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you're going to run into. We
should really go explore the rest of the hotel. So do you want to go?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, this stairway is so beautiful. Look at this art.
So this is a standard room, and you can book it with a couple different views. My family and I like to stay there when we want to just kind of relax, and sometimes in the evening we'll watch the World of Color show from our room at night and listen to it on the television. This room is incredible. There's plenty of storage space in here, so you'll see underneath the bed you can tuck in your suitcases. Let's take a look at the closet area that we have back here and kind of get ourselves oriented, because you know when you walk in you'll want to get all of your bags placed away. So you can see there's plenty of areas in here to set your bags. It comes with an ironing board and an iron, extra pillow and blanket. The couch actually pulls out, so that's going to be very helpful for that. In addition, there's a nice little coffee station here where you can make your coffee in the morning. Each room comes with a mini fridge, which is great for storing leftovers. And then the beds are incredibly comfortable. This is a 2-queen bed, so there's plenty of space for everyone to stand out. And then one of my favorite things is I'm a gadget guy, so I like to look for where all the plugs and all the outlets are. And you can see by the bed, not only do they have outlets, but they also have USB plugs, so that way you can charge your devices, as well as the alarm clock actually functions as a charger as well, which is a nice feature. Plenty of things for you to charge your phones, as well as, you know, if the kids have any devices that they want to take care of. And then right here in this space, we have your safe, so if you need to keep something valuable, you can go ahead and do that. If you have to do a little bit of work, we have the table and chair area here. And then this couch actually pulls out into an additional bed. So if you need to have someone stay with you, or maybe if you just want to relax, plenty of space for that. As you can see, the accents in here are very much Pixar themed. It's such a great decor and design, but my favorite piece of decor is this here. The iconic Pixar mascot is on the desk, so it gives it that nice touch of, you know, oh, I'm actually in a Pixar room. As we're getting ready in the morning, we'll want to head into the bathroom area to see what the space looks like for everyone who needs to prepare for the park day. And you can see here, there's tons of space in this bathroom area. Plenty of counter space for you to lay out your essentials. There's extra towels underneath. Each bathroom comes with its own body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, so you don't necessarily need to pack those if you don't want to. This area is a great area for everyone to kind of work together and get ready for that park day.
Okay, so I just entered a 1-bedroom suite here at Pixar Place Hotel, and oh my gosh, this looks amazing. This would be a perfect spot for families. So I'm going to check out the bathroom here. All the amenities you could expect at a hotel: lotion, hand soap, a nice mirror. I love how all the soaps and stuff are just set up here in the shower. That's super easy. Let's go check out the rest of the room. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a huge perk for families who are on an extended Disneyland Resort vacation. Having this really cozy place to have breakfast, come back after some park time and have a snack. This is amazing. I love this area. And I love all the Pixar nods throughout. You can see this lamplight right here. That is super cute. Let's see. Oh, a safe for keeping things safe. This hotel has a handy guide as well. So if you get here, you're not really sure what to do and where to go, you can just thumb through this. TV, obviously. I know as a parent, I need my coffee in the morning. And so there's a Keurig here. And I believe, yep, you're all set up with your condiments and all of your little K-cups here. And I believe this is a fridge. So yeah, if you have snacks or water you want to keep cold, that's super convenient. Ice bucket, if you want to go and fill up at the ice machine. So this is a super comfy sofa with a perfect view of the TV. And also the cool thing about this, it pulls out to a queen size sofa bed to sleep 2 adults, which is super awesome. You want to take off these comforters. So all you do, take this out. Here we go. And there's extra pillows and blankets in the other room. You could just bring that out here. And we have a whole other queen bed for you to enjoy when you're staying here at the Pixar Place Hotel. So let's go check out the bedroom. Wow, so this is huge. This is amazing. So there's 2 queen beds in here. There's another TV. I think this is also really cool. The door's shut so you have some privacy. So if you're visiting with another couple, another family, and you guys just need a little bit of me time, that's really handy. So something that I find really convenient with these rooms as well, they have so many different charging ports and outlets for you to keep all your devices charged. There's an alarm clock right here with even more opportunities. And I also really love if everybody else is sleeping and you're not quite ready to go to bed yet, there's these little lamps right here at the side of the bed. So, you know, after a long park day, your phone needs to recharge, you need to recharge. These are super comfortable and have everything you need. Let's see, there is just a ton of storage so you can unpack your stuff. The beds are raised so you can fit your suitcases underneath, which is awesome. Let's take a look in here. Oh, this is super handy. Ironing board, steam iron, extra pillows, blankets, plenty of room to store all your stuff. Love that. And I just saw what makes me the most excited, a second bathroom. So families know, especially if you have young kids or if you're visiting with another family, as you're getting ready in the morning, this second bathroom is going to be so amazing. All the same amenities here, a really nice shower. I gotta say, these robes are so soft, so comfy. You're probably not gonna even want to leave the room because it's so nice. And wow, just look at this view. Some rooms at the Pixar Place Hotel offer a premium view of the theme park. You can sometimes also get peek view views of World of Color. It's an amazing way to end the day. Oh my gosh, you never know who you're gonna run into here.
There's so many Pixar friends available. And speaking of Pixar, if you're looking to pick up a piece of merch for the Pixar Place Hotel, STOR-E has plenty of Pixar related options for you, including the robes from the room, which is great.
That is a must.
They also have several items from your favorite Pixar films. And I know over here, Kriss, they have a station that your children particularly care for, right?
Yeah, so I love doing my shopping. My kids want something to do. They have this coloring station here with coloring pages and crayons. So they're happy, and then it gives me some time to do some shopping. And speaking of shopping, they have swimsuits here, and it's really convenient if maybe you forgot a pair of goggles or you forgot your swimsuit at home. They have that amazing rooftop deck, so that would be really, really sad if you didn't have the opportunity to try it out. So I love that they have that here.
And you know, speaking of forgetting stuff, I know that, you know, when I'm in a rush to pack, sometimes I'll forget essentials like medicine or sunscreen. Thankfully, STOR-E has a section here where you can go ahead and pick those up. And in addition to that, they have an area with snacks and soft drinks. So no matter what it is you're looking for to make your trip a little bit easier, a little bit more fun, STOR-E has that for you.
So convenient. I love it.
Let's go check out the rest of the hotel.
Okay, sounds great. Want to take a peek at the Creators Club?
Yeah, let's take a look and see what's inside.
Okay. So this is a really cool amenity. If you're staying at a club level room, you have access to this really cool lounge. It's the perfect place to go midday when you need a break. If you're hungry, you just want a place to rest, this is a spot.
Yeah, and they have a dedicated concierge here to help you if you need assistance with anything. And you know, you mentioned the snacks, and those actually change throughout the day. They have breakfast options in the morning, some different things in the afternoon, adult beverages at the dinner hour, and then some dessert when you come back in the evening. It gives you a chance to really unwind and just have a little bite to eat maybe throughout the day when you're ready to take a break from the theme park.
Yeah, plenty of places to sit and relax. I love that there's a TV here, so everybody could just lounge on these chairs and just decompress and re-energize for the rest of your day.
Yeah, this is a great space, wonderfully decorated with so many nods to Pixar in the theme parks. Really, it's a great way to elevate your stay and have a good time. If you're looking for something a little bit extra, definitely recommend the club level.
Should we keep going?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Okay.
The Pixar Place Hotel has a bunch of great options for dining. And we're coming up on one of them now, the Sketch Pad Café.
Yeah, Sketch Pad Café is a place where I actually like to go with my kids. There's this TV screen here. It plays shorts on repeat. So it's a really great place for us to decompress, aside from the convenience of the food and drinks too.
One of the benefits of the Sketch Pad Café is that they have free water available. There's also a portable charging station where you can grab a portable charger in case you need your phone to be ready in the park.
And I love that they have these grab and go options. It makes it super convenient, especially if you're trying to get to the parks early.
Yeah, and you can get your coffee here as well. And they have specialty drinks that they'll make for you if you choose to order them. So it's a great place and a great option if you're looking for something quick, easy, just to head out and go back into the parks.
So we are here at the rooftop pool deck at Pixar Place Hotel at Small Bytes. This is one of my favorite spots to go. You can get drinks, you can get sandwiches, salads, quesadillas. I don't know what that dessert is over there, but it looks really, really good.
It does. And once you grab your food, there's plenty of space to sit and enjoy it. If you need a break from the theme park, or if you're looking for a great fireworks view, this area is a good spot to sit, enjoy the fireworks under the stars.
One of my favorites, and they actually broadcast the music while the fireworks are going, so it's very, very immersive.
And if you're looking for a third dining location, there's also the Great Maple.
Sounds tasty.
It does. So if you're looking for something else to do while you're staying at the Pixar Place Hotel, you can head up to the pool deck to the Pixar Shorts Court, which they have here.
There's a green little lawn area down below where they can just get their wiggles out, run around. But there's so much more to enjoy here too. You could easily spend a couple hours just here in the games area.
And it's a fun space because in addition to things like foosball or checkers, they have all of these fun games that are themed to different Pixar shorts. And they are a great way, like you were saying, just to kind of get some additional exercise or just relax. There's also a fitness center. There's a spot on property to get your laundry taken care of. And so, coming up into the pool area, one of the things that they have available at the pool is life vests for people to use who may need, parents who may want to have that for their children. They are complimentary for guests to use here.
Yeah.
So if your child would need a life vest, they can go ahead and grab one.
This is called the Pixel Pool. It's a really wonderful place for families to just cool down in the middle of the day. I really like Nemo's Cove. It's a splash zone at the other side of this pool.
Yeah, that splash zone is great for if you have younger kids who want to maybe have an opportunity to get wet, but don't feel quite as comfortable jumping in the main pool. And as you can see, they also have cabanas that are available to rent.
Having a dedicated space to put all your stuff and some shade to relax, it makes for a really perfect escape.
And like you mentioned earlier, we're coming up on Nemo's Cove, which is a great splash pad for younger kids. But my eye is on Crush's Surf and Slide.
That's a lot of fun. So we had a great tour of the Pixar Place Hotel. We looked at the rooms, the dining, the shop, and of course the rooftop pool deck.
If you have any additional questions, please visit us at planDisney.com.
See ya!